Welcome to today's video. We're going to be talking about a lot. We're going to get into the details today. We're talking about the blizzard, possibly severe weather for Sunday. It's going to be a bit to talk about. So, let's get started. All right, everyone. So we got Saturday at 11 p.m. We got snow over Minnesota, snow over Wisconsin, snow over North and South Dakota, Colorado. Looks like it may be a little. Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, Michigan. We can see on there. Snow in New York. Snow in the New England states we can see for tonight at 11 p.m. Snow in Idaho. We got some a low pressure system over Kansas we can see. Then we got some snow, snow in Michigan right at this time in Indiana. So move on. Sunday at 2 a.m. we get some heavier snow in Minnesota, North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska. We can see Wyoming. We can see also Montana, Pennsylvania, New York, too. We can see. You can see Nebraska too, Colorado too, Utah too, Ohio, Pennsylvania. We can see even Nebraska too. We can see Idaho. We can see looks like Oregon too. Cast some scattered snow too. Sunday at 5 a.m. we got some heavy snow in Minnesota. Wisconsin, some freezing rain and sleet too we can see in Minnesota, Wisconsin, or even some heavier snow in South Dakota we can see. And snow in Nebraska, rain in Iowa we can see also, rain in Illinois. You can see snow in Pennsylvania, snow in New York, snow in Maine too. Snow in Colorado. Hold on. We got some rain in Illinois too we can see. We can see more snow. Looks like in Montana too, on there. So let's move. I want to move on now. 5 a.m. on Sunday, we got some heavier snow. Looks like, or did we do already? What is this thing acting like? Okay, 8 a.m. on Sunday, get some heavier snow in Minnesota. We can see Wisconsin, some sleet too. Rain in Illinois, rain in Iowa. Snow in Nebraska, looks like snow in South Dakota, snow in Minnesota, snow in Michigan, sleet in Michigan. We got some rain in Illinois. Get some rain in Missouri. Get some snow in Colorado. Got some snow in Wyoming. Get some snow in Montana. Got some snow in New York too. We can see Sunday at 11 a.m. We can see we got our rain in Illinois, rain in Iowa, rain in Wisconsin, rain in Missouri, snow in Nebraska, South Dakota, Minnesota, too. Sleet in Michigan, sleet in Wisconsin, freezing rain in Wisconsin, too. Freezing rain in Iowa, rain in Illinois, rain in Wisconsin, too. Cat potentially on there. So, let's go to Sunday at 2 p.m. Looks like we got our freezing rain in Wisconsin, heavier snow in Wisconsin, too. Rain in Illinois, rain in Missouri, rain in Oklahoma. You can see Kansas, we got some snow. Nebraska, looks like too. Some snow in New York. Got some sleet in Michigan too. You can see. Then we got some rain in Indiana. Got some snow in New York too. We can see. All right, so we have some storms forming. Looks like Sunday at 5 p.m. We got some thunderstorms in Missouri, Louisiana, Illinois, Wisconsin too. We got some freezing rain. Iowa, we can see we got some heavy snow. Minnesota, Wisconsin, even rain in Michigan. We can see got some freezing rain in Wisconsin, Indiana. Got some rain too. Got some rain in the storms down in Louisiana. Some storms down in Georgia, North Carolina, Mississippi, Florida too. We can see on there. So then we got a high pressure system off to the north. Looks like. All right, Sunday at 8 p.m. we got some storms. Looks like in parts of Illinois, Missouri, Louisiana, Arkansas. Then we get a blizzard up in Wisconsin. Then we get some freezing rain in Wisconsin. Get some snow in Iowa too. Get some rain in Michigan. Get some freezing rain in Michigan. And we get some scattered rain down in Florida we could see. So Sunday at 11 p.m. we got a line of storms moving down from Indiana all the way down to Louisiana we can see. Then we got our blizzard up there in Wisconsin and freezing rain up in Michigan too. We can see too on there. So that's interesting. Then I have our snow in Maine too. Then we get some rain and storms in Michigan, Indiana, Ohio, Tennessee, uh, Georgia. We can see maybe potentially a little in Georgia at this time. So then we get freezing rain up in Michigan. We get some snow in Illinois on the back of this. So it's crazy. Snow in Minnesota, snow in Wisconsin. You can see Monday at 5 a.m. we get some storms in Michigan, Kentucky, Tennessee, Louisiana, Mississippi. We can see too. And we got Ohio. Got rain too. Freezing rain in Michigan. Snow in Wisconsin. Snow in Illinois. We can see snow in Iowa. Snow in Minnesota. We get some rain in Pennsylvania. Looks like it's a freezing rain. Potentially in the New England states. So get some rain in Florida. And Monday at 8 a.m. So we get some this rain in Ohio. Snow in Kentucky. Looks like. Then it looks like we get some snow in Illinois and Indiana and heavy snow in Wisconsin. So Monday at 11 a.m. it's moving out of Ohio. And we get some snow in Illinois and Indiana and Wisconsin and Michigan. And some snow looks like could be in Louisiana too. Okay. So let's talk about how much snow is going to fall. And our ice totals and sleet totals. Let's get to that. Alright everyone, so I'm going to so we're gonna look at our snow totals for today. Let's see, we got parts of Ohio. You can see we got snow in Minnesota. That's 3 inches. A few inches of snow, 6 inches of snow in parts of Minnesota. So Sunday at 2 a.m. we can see everybody. So we could see in Michigan we got an inch of snow. Then we could see in Iowa 0.4 inches of snow, 0.5 in Illinois. We could see we got some snow. Looks like in New York we can see also. Then we got 5 a.m. on Sunday. We got looks like 16 inches of snow or something. Falling in Minnesota, 17 or 18 in parts of Wisconsin we can see also on here. So we got Michigan, that's 3 inches of snow. Illinois, we got 0.3 inches too we can see on here. So Sunday at 8 a.m. we got 20 inches of snow on the ground and maybe potentially in parts of Minnesota. Wisconsin we can see too. And 12 inches of snow too. With Michigan, we could have 5 or 6 inches of snow at this time, 4 inches. Parts of Minnesota, we could have up to close to 2 feet of snow, and Wisconsin almost. Sorry. In Minnesota, we could have a few inches of snow. New York, we could have a couple inches of snow potentially on the ground. So, in the New England states, we have a few inches of snow on the ground too. You can see. So, let's move on. Sunday at 11 a.m. we have 24 inches of snow on the ground, 23 inches of snow on the ground in Wisconsin, 21, 8 inches in parts of Wisconsin, Michigan, several inches, Michigan Peninsula, we have almost a foot of snow on the ground or more on the ground too. You can see. Alright, so got parts of New England states, has like an inch of snow too. Sunday at 2 p.m. We have 24 inches of snow on the ground in Minnesota, 26 inches on the ground in Wisconsin, Minnesota area. Got a lot of snow, guys. We can see in Michigan we got 2.8 inches. Pennsylvania we got 0.7. New York we got an inch. Not from that. This is a good general. Sunday at 5 p.m. we could have 26 inches on the ground. We can see 27 in Minnesota, 28 in Wisconsin, 27. Iowa we have a few inches. Parts of Michigan Peninsula, we can have up to 2 feet of snow, too. You can see on there. Sunday at 8 p.m., we could have 31 inches on the ground in Wisconsin, we can see. Also, 27 inches of snow on the ground in Minnesota, 3 inches in Iowa, a few inches in Iowa. Michigan, 2.8 inches, you can see on there, and 30 inches in Michigan Peninsula, close to. Alright, Sunday at 11 p.m. we have 32.3 inches of snow on the ground in Wisconsin. We can see on there 33 in parts of Michigan Peninsula. Let's put our 2-day snow on. Let's do our 24-hour snow actually. Boom. Okay, so 32 inches, 36 inches is even possible in Michigan Peninsula, everyone. This is just for 24 hours. Like, that's ridiculous. Like, 30-something inches of snow could fall in Wisconsin in 24 hours, guys. Like, that's ridiculous. All right, so what day is this? Monday at 5 a.m. We have 39 inches of snow that can fall in Michigan Peninsula, almost 40 inches of snow potentially. So let's move on to our ice totals, everyone, in sleet now. Hold on, let me just switch it. Freezing rain totals. All right, so our freezing rain totals we could have our freezing rain totals: half an inch in Wisconsin, 1.5 inches in Michigan, a quarter of an inch of ice on the ground in Iowa. This could cause some hazardous driving, everyone. 1.5 inches in Michigan, zero point 0.6 inches in Wisconsin, 0.5, 0.3 inches. Parts of New England states, we have 0.1 inches of ice on the ground, and 0.3 inches in Maine, too, we can see. So let's look at our sleet. We could have a couple inches of sleet in Wisconsin, 3 inches. In Iowa, we could maybe have 0.8 inches, we can see, 0.5. Parts of Michigan, we could have maybe 2 to 3 in some spots at the top, we can see, too. Then 1.2 inches in parts of Wisconsin, too, we can see. So now we're going to be moving on to our severe weather outlook for tomorrow. Now, all right, everyone. So we're going to be talking about our severe weather outlook for tomorrow. We got an enhanced risk of severe weather in parts of Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, guys, Louisiana, Missouri, too, Mississippi, Alabama. Then we got our slight risk of severe weather we can see in Ohio and Michigan, guys, Indiana, Illinois, Missouri, parts of Oklahoma, Arkansas, Texas, too. We can see even Florida is in this, too. We can see. Then we got a moderate risk of severe weather in Kentucky, too. Ohio, Michigan, Illinois, Missouri, Oklahoma, Texas. We can see Louisiana. We can see too. Florida. We got some. South Carolina, North Carolina, and Virginia too. So then we got our typical thunderstorm risk in parts of Ohio, Virginia, North Carolina, Iowa, Wisconsin, parts of Missouri, and Kansas and Oklahoma too. We can see on here. So let's move on to our tornado risk tornado risk. So our tornado risk, that means like it's significant one. Like let's see, this means it's like significant one level. The black means. So let's move up the screen. So we got our black. We got our 5% risk of a tornado in Indiana, Illinois, Kentucky, Tennessee, Mississippi, Alabama, Missouri. We can see Arkansas, Louisiana, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Ohio. And then we got 2% tornado risk in Ohio, Michigan, Indiana, Illinois, Missouri, Arkansas, Louisiana, Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, and West Virginia too. We can see. So let's look at our wind risk. Our wind risk is significant level 1. We can see we got our 45% wind risk. This is pretty high actually, guys. This is really high. So we got our 45% wind risk in Indiana, Illinois, Kentucky, Tennessee. We got our 30% wind risk in Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, Missouri too. We can see. Then we got our 15% wind risk in Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, Tennessee, Georgia, even Florida, Mississippi, Louisiana too, Missouri too, Illinois too. You can see in Texas we got our 15% too. Then in Wisconsin we got our 5%. Michigan, Ohio, looks like North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Florida. We can see also on here. Then Texas too, and Oklahoma, and Missouri, and Kansas a little too. So let's move on to our hail risk now. Our hail, okay, we don't have a big hail risk for this, so we got our 5% hail risk in parts of looks like Illinois, looks like Missouri, Tennessee, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and Tennessee too. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. There's going to be a lot of weather happening this week. Please stay aware. Look at the weather. We got severe thunderstorms happening. We got a blizzard. It's going to be a lot, guys. A lot of rain also. So just stay tuned. Ice storms too. Looks like freezing rain, sleet. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. See you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe, notification bell. You never miss a video like this, guys. Okay, guys. See you guys in the next one.